Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can use your GoPro as a webcam in Google Meet. So let's begin the video. In order to use your GoPro as a webcam with Google Meet, you are going to need the following things. First of all, your GoPro, which you are going to use as a webcam. Here I have the Hero 10 Black. Secondly, a cable to connect your GoPro with your machine, and lastly your machine which has an active internet connection. I have a Windows machine, but the process is same if you're on a Mac. So the first thing that you're going to do is to power on your GoPro. Once it has powered on the side you have this GoPro opening latch. Pull it down and backward so it will open. Do not remove the battery, but you will see a type C port right here. Now what we are going to do is to connect one end of our cable to our Windows machine, and the other end will be connected to our GoPro. You can see like this, the GoPro is on, we're not going to do anything. Now we're going to move towards our Windows or Mac machine, and we're going to download and install a software that will allow us to use our GoPro as a webcam, and later we will use it as a webcam on Google Meet. Now you would see that if you have not installed the software on your machine, your GoPro will show something like this, which is USB connected. It will not basically act as a webcam. So for that reason we are downloading and installing a software which is officially provided by GoPro. On your laptop you're going to open any browser and you're going to open this website link will be in the video description. Here you can see GoPro webcam information and troubleshooting. So if you're on a Mac, you're going to click on download for Mac, but if you're on a Windows like me, we're going to click on download and get started for PC. So if you have a GoPro Hero 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, you need to first make sure that it is updated to the latest firmware. If you don't know how you can update the firmware of your GoPro, a box will appear right here and the link will also be in the video description. So that is very important that your GoPro is updated to the latest firmware. Secondly, we are going to download and install the GoPro webcam application, and after that we can use our GoPro as a webcam. So if in order to download the desktop utility, we are going to click here. Click on download. Once the setup has been downloaded, right click on it and we are going to click on open. Here is the setup utility. Next, agree to the terms and conditions after reading them. Next, install. So it's going to install the GoPro webcam utility. Finish. So it says that we need to restart our system. After that it can work, so I'm just going to restart my machine. Once your machine has restarted, you're going to click on the Windows icon, GoPro. You will see the GoPro webcam app. Just click on it and it will open it. Now on the lower right, click on this icon. You will see this little GoPro webcam icon. Now currently you can see my GoPro is showing USB connected. If I click on this icon, click on preview, it will actually shift from USB connection to a webcam. So you can see a live preview here as well as on the GoPro. And if I again go to the GoPro webcam, go to lens mode, I can actually change it from narrow, wide, super wide depending on what lens modes your GoPro supports. Now we're going to use it as a webcam in Google Meet. Here I have started a Google Meet meeting, and currently it is using the webcam of my laptop. You can see a lot of noise. So this is the case where using a GoPro as a webcam can be useful if your laptop has a very bad camera, or if you don't have a camera at all, then you can use your GoPro if it is lying around. Now in order to use the GoPro as a webcam, on the camera click on this icon. We are going to click on this, and from here you will see GoPro webcam. Just select it, and now you can see a live preview of me from the GoPro as a webcam. Here is the GoPro and it is using my GoPro as a webcam in Google Meet. So yeah guys, this is how simple it is. You can do it. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like it. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe,